Good morning, everybody. I have gotten a little mini waffle maker, and Ray opened the top for me so it would be easier for me. And this is to make Chaffles, C-H-A-F-F-L-E-S. And it's supposed to be, if you use the correct flour and ingredients, you can do keto with this. I don't really plan to do any keto. But I thought it would be fun to have, excuse me, I still have my cold. I thought it would be fun to have and to do better proportion control for me. I'm not really losing weight. I'm just trying to watch what I'm eating. If I lose weight, that's fine, and if I don't, that's fine. So let's see what we have here. This here is ship 2. Number of boxes 1. And it's red. So let's see, we got a bunch of packing paper, which is good. That way it won't break if there's a bunch of packing paper. Does anybody have one of these mini waffles? Now, I know Bacon Diva does. Dolores, she has one, and she's been making a few recipes. Ah, here it is right here. It's called the -D Mini Maker Waffle. And it says 4-inch cooking surface, 350 watts. It says, we believe that taking small steps every day to live a healthier life can be a big impact, and the best path to wellness is to eat whole natural foods. At Dash, we make products that make it easier for you to prepare and eat real food at home so that you can feel your best. In the store, in the kitchen, and online, we give you the tools and the support to make delicious, healthy meals. That's what unprocessed is all about. So I have no idea what I'm in for. This is a total new ball game for me. And it says a mini waffle maker right there. Ooh, those strawberries look good. And it's a cloudy morning here in Maine, and strawberries right now would taste pretty darn good. Well, I'm unboxing here. Looks like there's something else in the box too. We'll have to check that out. Wow, it comes really packed nice, which is nice. You want that. Hope it doesn't require any scissors or knives because I don't have one here. Ow, a lot of packaging. Got a nice thick cord to it. Oh, look how cute this is. Got a nice cord. And what I like about it, it's a nice long cord. And it says hot surface, and this says the Dash. And you open it up. And here you have it right here. Isn't that cute? Actually, when I have my waffles made, I like them about that size. That way I can have 3 or 4 and feel like, wow, boy, am I getting a big amount of food. But there you have it, right there. So that's what it's going to look like. I do know that I read a little online, and it talks about using almond flour. I don't know if you have to use almond flour, but I don't have any almond flour. So it will be interesting to see. I'm gonna go online and I'm gonna read some recipes, and I'll be making some Chaffles here very soon. I gotta see what else is in this box. I don't remember what I ordered. Oh my goodness. I have another one. I have two. I guess maybe somebody will be getting this for Christmas. I don't know who. I don't remember ordering two. I must have. I thought I ordered something different. But this isn't different. It's the same thing. Oh, and they have a support hotline right here. Hey, we all could use a support hotline sometimes. So there you have it right there. Mini is mighty, it says. And this is really a pretty color. So I'm anxious to start in making these Chaffles. And if you have one of these machines, tell me how you like it. What do you make? Give this Grammie some help. She's looking for help in this department. Also, going off a little on something else, on our drawing that we had for the $5,000 giveaway, I think I may have 2 or 3 people that did not respond to me. Now, I know one of them's Jump Off A. The other couple I can't think of right now. So if you're watching this, you need to get a hold of me. The 48 hours has gone by, so it looks like I'll be doing another drawing. So stay tuned for a redo on the drawings for the people that did not contact me for one reason or the other. I don't know. So if you like this video, give me thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Neither do I. Have a great day. You can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. On Facebook, I have 2 groups. I have a private group for women that talks about women things and recipes, and you can post your videos there if you're a woman. It's basically a woman's page. Nothing against the man. It's just a talk of women. And then I am on Facebook. You can find me on Facebook under Brenda Wandon, or you can find me in my private group as The Good Life. And if you'd like to join that group, please get a hold of me and say you'd like in. Also, I usually try to post a devotional every day on that group. So, that's it for today. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.